Hello, little chefs. Today, we're making a yummy cheese sandwich. A perfect and easy snack to make with a grown-up helper. First, let's gather everything we need for our cheese sandwich. We need some bread, butter and cheese slices. You can also add lettuce and tomatoes to make it even tastier. Step 1. Spread the butter gently. It's safer with a spreader. Now, place a slice of cheese, or maybe two, on top of one slice of bread. Want some crunch? Add some lettuce and tomato slices, and maybe sprinkle a dash of pepper for a bit of spice. Let's gently place the second slice of buttered bread on top. Doesn't it look colorful, Mia? Want to cut it in half? I can cut it for you. It is important to ask an adult to help. Remember, safety first. Time to enjoy your tasty cheese sandwich. Great job, Chef Mia. Thanks for joining Chef Mia and her mom in their kitchen today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Hearts Haven for more tasty adventures. Cooking can be fun, but remember to always cook with a grown-up helper.